Because among many other things, Wells Fargo has a phenomenal Power Platform program. They were with us in a session yesterday sharing that they have now rolled out Power Apps Premium to the entire organization. And with that, thousands of applications and automations that are making work more efficient for everybody from the back office all the way to the front line. And in fact, they've gone even further than that. In fact, they've recently rolled out Copilot Studio agents to more than 4,000 bank branches. That's pretty impressive for a bank to move at that speed and agility, really targeting making all of the procedures in those branches work more efficiently. And so we want to zoom into this sort of scenario and look at that evolution from apps to intelligent apps, and from apps and processes to agents. And we're going to stick with this story of power of attorney, because it's actually a very important and complex process. So we're going to start here at a Power App. This is the type of app that